La Nina brought 3 successive summers of record rain and devastating floods. But now it's the opposite. El Nino is in the driver's seat. Accompanied by a strengthening positive Indian Ocean dipole, it's the first time in 8 years Australia's weather patterns are under the influence of both rain suppressors.
A real reduction of rainfall across eastern and central Australia from El Nino, and then also from northwestern and southern Australia from the Indian Ocean dipole.
Broadly, the whole country will see an abundance of clear blue sky and hot weather. It's what many may consider a quintessential Aussie summer. But there is a bleak side. Record-breaking heat, widespread bushfires and flash droughts.
Now, with the Indian Ocean dipole, that increases heatwave across Western and Southern Australia, and El Nino through Northern, Central and Eastern Australia. So again, almost a nationwide impact.
The hottest day recorded in the country was 50.7 degrees in Oodnadatta, South Australia in 1960. This was matched in January 2022 in Onslow, WA.
It is very likely that we'll see a record temperature broken in Australia.
Dry heat combined with excessive fuel loads from 3 wet years means we're primed for the most active fire season since the Black Summer of 2019-2020.
We're already seeing evidence of that increased bushfire threat this spring through the Northern Territory, inland Queensland and much of New South Wales. Transitioning into summer, not only will we have those risks continue, but we may see the added amplification of fire risk in South Australia and Victoria.
Drought has already gripped parts of New South Wales and Queensland after a record dry winter. Under the influence of El Nino, there is a high risk of flash droughts for all states except the Northern Territory. While we're expecting to see fewer tropical cyclones in Northern Australia. Australia has always been the land of drought and flooding rains, but our severe weather seasons are becoming longer and more extreme. And this warm season is likely to be one of our most extreme on record. Lucy Polkinghorne, Sky News Weather.